Welcome. I'm Terriell of Terriell Samuels Pilates, and this is Pilates Need to Know, my series on the basics of Pilates, covering everything you need to know before starting an at-home Pilates program. This video's topic is Pilates stance. Let's dive in. Pilates stance and why do we use it? The positioning of the feet, often referred to as Pilates stance or heels together, toes slightly apart, is not just a foot position. It's actually a slight outward rotation of the hips and wrapping of the thighs, as well as engagement of the seat or glutes. This is commonly used in Pilates as a way to engage your lower powerhouse, working the glutes and upper thighs to help support your abdominals. To get into a correct Pilates stance, you can't just open your feet into a V and call it good. You must engage your hips and your inner thighs to garnish the full benefits of the position. Try this. Stand on a wood floor or mat that has some slip with socks on. Bring your thighs and your feet together to touch. From there, engage in your glutes by hugging your cheeks lightly together and zip through the backs of the thighs by screwing your hips energetically in outward rotation to pull the backs of the thighs together. You'll find that this action will pull your toes apart into a slight V of the feet, and that engagement, tight, wrapped, and engaged thighs, is what we're going for each time you're in Pilates stance. And while doing this, make sure the V is small, about a fist width distance apart for the toes, and that you're not really cranking those hips too far out to the side. If you get too much external rotation, you tend to lose a little bit of stability through the hips. We just want a light wrapping of the inner thighs and the glutes so that the toes slightly pull apart. And that's my need to know on Pilates stance. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you for watching my Pilates Need to Know series. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like notifications when I post new videos and Pilates workouts, click the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. This is Terriell from Terriell Samuels Pilates signing off. Bye for now.